Hi everyone, this is Unit 5 for Foundations of Reading. To begin with, let's review the last unit. The rule was an open syllable ends with a vowel. The vowel sound is usually long. All right, here's the rule for Unit 5. A silent E syllable has a vowel followed by a consonant and then the letter E. The final E is silent, and the vowel before it is usually long. All right, so a silent E means that you do not pronounce the E either short or long when it comes at the very end of a word. All right, so here we have name. See the E at the end? We don't say namey, it's just name, it's silent. And then the A is long, A. Okay? So the first word is combine. If you combine the colors red and yellow, they will make orange. There are two syllables in combine. In the second syllable, the vowel I is followed by the consonant N and then the silent E. The final E is silent and the I before it has a long sound. Combine. The next word is complete. If she works hard, Sophie can complete college in 3 years. There are two syllables in complete. In the second syllable, the vowel E is followed by consonant T and E. The final E is silent and the E before it has a long sound, like E. Escape. The sailors used a life raft to escape their sinking ship. There are two syllables in escape. In the second syllable, the vowel A is followed by the consonant P and E. The final E is silent and the A before it has a long sound. Microscope. A microscope can be used to make tiny objects appear larger. There are three syllables in microscope. In the third syllable, the vowel O is followed by the consonant P and E. The final E is silent and the O before it has a long sound. Refuse. When Josh was offered a job in New York, he could not refuse it. There are two syllables in refuse. In the second syllable, the vowel U is followed by the consonant S and E. The final E is silent and the U before it has a long sound. Define. Our homework assignment required us to define several words. How many syllables are in define? In which syllable is there a vowel followed by a consonant plus the silent E? What sound does the final E make? What sound does the vowel before it make? Delete. After you have read your email messages, you can delete them. How many syllables are in delete? In which syllable is there a vowel followed by a consonant plus the silent E? What sound does the final E make? What sound does the vowel before it make? Illustrate. Our guest speaker uses examples to illustrate his presentation. Where is the word divided into syllables? What sound does the vowel A make? Why does this vowel have a long sound? Mistake. The editor corrected a mistake in the newspaper article. Mistake. Where is this word divided into syllables? What sound does the vowel A make? Why does this vowel have a long sound? Here are some other words that fit this rule. Provide. Nurses are trained to provide good care for their patients. Remote. Our television cannot be operated without a remote control. Useful. A map is useful when traveling in an unfamiliar area. How does the rule apply to each of these words? Provide, remote, useful. And finally, here are your 12 words. I have attached this PowerPoint, a hard copy of all of these words that are before you, and the rule. a poster for the rule for Unit 5.